Positively Positano. This spacious Positano, built by GL Homes, features almost 2,000 square feet of open floorplan living. The exterior has recently been power washed, painted, and new gutters installed around the whole house. Upon entering the house, you will be welcomed into a foyer featuring a 10-to-11 tray ceiling adorned with custom crown molding and ceiling millwork. Your immediate view will be of the expansive open floorplans dining room, great room, kitchen, dinette, and office. The dining room will comfortably seat 10 persons and features a large window and a bold chandelier, and it overlooks the great room and kitchen. The expansive great room is basked in indirect sunlight and features a ceiling fan and 12 of sliding doors leading to the Lanai and extended screen room that is the perfect space to enjoy private outdoor living protected from the elements. The kitchen will comfortably accommodate both the chef and the sous-chef. It features solid 42 maplewood cabinetry, lots of granite counters, capped by stone backsplash, a single basin sink, and Samsung stainless appliances. The 10'X8 dinette is perfect for routine or intimate dining. The master bedroom is at the rear of the house and features a 9-window, tray ceiling with ceiling fan, a full-length glass door to the Lanai, 2 walk-in closets, and an ensuite bathroom that features a Roman tub, sunken walk-in shower, and a private room for the Commode. The second bedroom and bathroom are at the front of the house and afford perfect privacy for guests. The 15'X12 office features a large window, high ceilings, and it might also be used as a third bedroom. Your environmental comforts are provided by a Rheem 2-stage HVAC with humidity controls, installed in August 2021, and a Culligan Water Softener System. This delightful Positano is situated in Valencia Lakes, Tampa Bay's premier 55-plus active adult community. Start living your idyllic life today.